Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. In this video we have a similar software as the one I showed before. It's called Koikatsu. If you've seen the previous video of Koikatsu, you're gonna be thinking that it's a deja vu. You're gonna know why. Because it's just too much. Too many similar things. And by the way, this might actually happen to your computer unless it has at least the i7 core processor. If it doesn't happen, it's gonna take a little while. And it'll start like that. So isn't there anything different? Yeah, there's a lot. You already have this features, we'll just be able to start with the character creation. It's a conversion, it has a story mode. But let me just hold you up there for a little moment there, because there's something you're gonna need to know about this. For those who actually have seen and are highly aware of this game, yeah, you know what is actually going on. Despite of that,
Let's get right into the news.
yeah, it's a very unique type of game. It might actually end up in that sense or not, but still. So, in a nutshell, it's kind of like a viewer version, so that you can actually create the hair by yourself. However, you do customize it in a sense. There's a few plugins apparently that some people have actually been doing it for a while. If it's from the actual company or just people doing it over here, that's another story. But anywho, this so-called game actually came out like 2 or 3 years ago. And it seems rather curious what actually you can do and what actually happens. Interesting things have been actually going on here. And now you're gonna see anything different. Sure, there's a few little tabs around here. Characters actually different. And wait till you see, well, there's that for starters. It's still the same as Koikatsu. The mechanics, if we can actually say that it's still the same. Here are the buttons. There's a few more tabs, but should be fine.
No,
Nothing
God!
me.
No, God, please, no! No!
That's only for YouTube for very good reasons. And yes, it's all the way. It's not like Picasso. So here in the hairstyle section, there's a lot of variations. As you can actually see, in Picasso, I think there's only like 10. There's probably slightly more, but that's not like this. In clothing, they just go way, way different. They have a whole lot of variety and a lot of clothing, which is actually pretty better, pretty much easier. And also, there's this glove tab. Quite unexpected, but still, it kind of gives more, dare I say, freedom, more creativity, say that is. And we'll check over here in these tabs for accessories and all. And we just keep scrolling down, and it comes in various sections. And it's the same thing as the clothing. There's a lot of accessories or even hairstyle correction. They're actually here. The curious thing in Koikatsu is like you can give it a name, a nickname, even a blood type and birthday. And here, some people might like these tabs for reasons. You know what I mean? And to make things even more interesting, there's a post tab. Yeah, you know how it goes. If things weren't interesting enough, and here goes this. And on top of that, what I'm currently doing details, it actually saves the character like this as a picture or a card that's actually known as for some reason. You just take the picture, hit save, and it's done. It should be adding them right there, that little list. I'll try to give some better tutorials. There's not gonna be that many I'll save right now like that because of good reasons. But besides that, I'll be leaving this video for today. If you like the video, you can hit like, subscribe, and you'll be pressing the notification buttons, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.